Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this is a very, very strong pair. All the yen pairs have been going up very, very strong. I still think that it could be a wave B, but I also know that it doesn't have to stop here. Wave Bs can sometimes go to the 100%, sometimes to the 105, and even to the 123. So we are approaching the 90%. If it does decide to, double top there and make a reversal on the sort of time frames, then fine, we'll start looking for shorts. But as of right now, I have a hard time recommending anything but longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, really, unfortunately, the strategy right now is to be only looking for longs, and it's only to be going long on these pullbacks. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now right up against a Fibonacci level. If it does bounce from here, make like a three-way pullback or something like that, like one of these previous pullbacks, and then an engulfing up at a fib level, then I would take it as a long. If it decides to make a double top at this fib level, then goes down, then breaks structure in a big impulsive move, that is what would turn me into a seller. Otherwise, anything I see to the downside, I would definitely assume is nothing more than a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.